You will find the ingredients in the description. I will post it also in Imperial system. We need 250 grams of cream cheese, 200 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of flour, 120 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, zest of half a lemon, and the juice of half a lemon. We pour the 250 grams of cream cheese in a bowl. As the cream cheese is cold from the fridge, we will heat it 30 seconds in the microwave. Now we beat the cheese until it gets a creamy texture. We must separate the whites from the egg yolks. We must use a very clean bowl. Put the whites. Put the yolks with the cheese. Do it for the 4 eggs. Set the oven to preheat to 140 degrees Celsius or 284 degrees Fahrenheit. Put a bowl of water to boil. It's time to integrate the eggs with the cheese. Now we pour the 200 milliliters of milk and mix again. We use a strainer to remove the cheese lumps. We add the lemon stripes, the lemon juice. We will add the 50 grams of flour with a sieve. Now we mix it well with the mixer. Clean the mixer rods well. We are going to beat the whites until they are foamy, and then we will add half of the sugar. We will beat it until the sugar is completely integrated, and then we will pour the rest of the sugar. Continue beating until the egg whites gets to the soft peak. When the whites are like in the video, we can add the other mix. We must mix, making circular movements. We must use a tall mold. I use a Panettone mold. Before pouring the mixture, you have to spread the container with butter. We put the mold with the mixture in the oven on a tray and we throw the boiling water on the tray. We will leave it at 140 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we will lower the temperature to 110 degrees and we will wait 20 more minutes. Finally, we will open the oven door lightly for 5 minutes. After waiting 5 minutes, we will open a little more and wait for it to cool slowly. Okay, it's time to test it. Amazing! It's delicious. The texture of this cheesecake is fantastic. That is what makes the difference for this cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, to press the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.